Welcome back, pure structure traders and YouTube, for another market analysis for the London session. Today we'll be going over S&P 500, gold, and also oil, giving you guys some of the levels we'll be looking at. So again, if you guys do like these videos, please go ahead and smash that like button. If you are not subscribed to the channel yet, please go ahead and subscribe. Any questions you guys got, feel free to pop them in here on YouTube. We would love to get back to you guys. But with that said, let's go ahead and jump into it. So for S&P 500, you can see we had nice movement to the upside, somewhere around these 45.90 to about 89s is where we kind of stalled at, and then we started to pull back down into our supports. You can see stalling right around these 45.61.75s is where we're finding that support right now. So we'll see from this area if we can actually get a nice bounce up and then retesting some of our levels. An area of retest I do think that we'll find is that the market maybe bounce at support, coming back up into this level of 71.75, and then above that 77.25 as the next area up above as the resistance level. So we'll see, but I am anticipating maybe a nice bullish bounce from this area. As you can see, we stalled right off the bottom. Could be potentially a nice double bottom for a push back up. Then if we get back up to these areas here, either 70, 71, look for the rejection here or not. If not there, then we'll look up here at these 77.25s, and if we can't get through that level, we'll look for a move right back down. But right now, as of right now, this is going to be a good indication for a bullish move right now, getting a double bottom off this level. So we'll wait that out. That's underneath that is going to be our support 45.51.75, and then below that 41.25. After this resistance of 77.25, again, next levels up. You could look for a little bit of an area right here at these 82.75s, and then above that, these 89.25s as the next level up. So again, I do think that we're holding pretty good support right here. Let's go ahead and move over into a smaller chart so we can see what's going on. So moving over into the smaller chart, just so you guys can see, I do think we have a nice opportunity for a long here. You can see a nice little bit of a bounce here. We couldn't get through that level, and we are holding a little bit of a micro area right here, right off this level here. So keep an eye out for that, because I do think we're going to travel right back up into these 70 to 71s, and then again above that into 77. So I do think this is where we get that nice bullish bounce. For those who want to take that trade opportunity, that should be a good one for a long opportunity up. For those who don't understand, feel free to ask the questions. If you want us to go into more depth as to what we see here, definitely we could try to do that for you guys, give you guys a better understanding of what we do end up seeing here with market structure. But again, if you guys want the short opportunity, I like this area of 77.25. We can't get through that. To me is going to be a good area. If not, 82.75 and then 89.25 as the levels of resistance up above. So keep an eye out for that. But with that, let's go ahead and move over into gold. Take a look at what's going on there with gold. So moving over into gold, looking for gold to travel down a little bit. Got this support here, 1787.9. So we are looking for this to bounce off a support here and then maybe try to retest the upside of 96.2. If not, look for this to travel a little bit deeper. You can see we have a little bit of a low right here that we pushed somewhere around these 1783.7s. So it may end up trying to push deeper here and then maybe getting a nice double bottom. If not, look for this to fall or dive a little bit deeper, 1778 as the next level down below for that support. So that's where you may end up seeing the support, and then below that 1770.1 as another level down below. For those who want a continuation of this bear move that you see, you will have to wait for this market maybe to get up to these 96.2s and then try the short opportunity. And if not up there, look for the rejection under here, under these 87.9s, and then for a nice short opportunity into the next level of support. That could be your two short opportunities there. Let's take a look at a smaller chart here though. Pulling this up for you guys, a little bit of a smaller chart. You can see micro movement here, but I am anticipating this to fall down into these 87.9s and then maybe even potentially below that bigger level again, 78 even, or 1778 even, and then below that 1774.4 as the next level down for support. So that could be where the market tries to head to. Again, we are having a nice bearish move. For me, I do like the resistance here up at this level of 1796.2. Not sure if we'll get all the way back there, but that would be a great area for me to want to short if we fail to get through that level. As you can see, we had multiple touches here for a push lower, and that could be a good opportunity for us to try to push lower again too. But other than that, that wraps that up for gold. Let's go ahead and take a look at what crude oil is doing here on the chart. So pulling this over for crude oil, you can see we're coming back up against what was pretty good resistance, and we kind of got above that, went into our next level, 84.76. But want to see if we reject off this level here. If we fail to get through, look for this thing to try to pull down a little bit deeper into our supports of 83.52. And then below that, 83.12, you can see a nice V bottom right off that level. And then next level down below, 82.66. So really going to be looking out for some supports right around either here, those 83.52s, 83.12, and or 82.66 as this main level of support. For those who want the short, again, somewhere around these 84.26s, if we cannot get it to push through, look for that short opportunity to try to come right back down for the opportunity to get it down into the supports. For those who want a higher level of resistance, you can see we kind of marked it off here. We got area of resistance 84.76 where we failed to get through and then went all the way right back down, and or above that 85.34 as the next level of resistance. So these could be the opportunities to short. If we fail to get through this level, nice little double top, that could be where you look for the short. If not, look for this to break through, come up to these 85.34s, and then get a nice opportunity to short that down. So that could be our opportunities for the shorts as well. But that pretty much wraps it up for S&P 500, gold, and also oil. Again, if you guys do like these videos, please go ahead and smash that like button. If you are not subscribed to the channel yet, please go ahead and subscribe. Any questions you guys got, feel free to pop them in here on YouTube. We would love to get back to you guys. But with that said, again, if you guys are struggling to find consistency and success in your trading, feel free to become a member with us at Pure Structure Trading. We would love to help you guys with that. If you continue to trade, make sure you guys trade well. You guys have a great night. Take care.